Hi, magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang tanghali kung nasaan ka mang parte ng mundo habang nakikinig ka. Welcome to CB Accounting Services YouTube channel. Ang channel po namin ay ginawa para makatulong sa mga small to medium entrepreneurs or business owners to understand or maintindihan ang taxation and bookkeeping sa pinakasimpleng paraan. Sa kabilang banda po, ang company po namin, ang CB Accounting Services, ay nagbibigay din ng mga serbisyo regarding sa bookkeeping, tax compliance, at accounting services. Understanding the chart of accounts. Mas maganda na bago natin simulan ang ating mga manual books of accounts, maintindihan muna natin kung ano bang ibig sabihin ng definition. A chart of accounts or COA is a structured list of all the general ledger accounts used by a company to record its financial transactions. It serves as a framework for organizing and categorizing financial information, making it easier to track and report on the company's financial activities. In simple term po, ang chart of account ay listahan ng mga account titles na siya pong ginagamit natin sa manual books of accounts natin katulad ng cash receipts book, cash disbursement book, general journal, and general ledger. So paano po magkakaroon ng chart of accounts? Ano ang mga elements ng chart of accounts? Isa-isahin po natin ang elements ng chart of accounts. The chart of accounts typically includes the following elements. Account codes. These are numeric or alphanumeric codes assigned to each account for identification purposes. These codes help in sorting and organizing the accounts systematically. For example, assets may be assigned account codes starting with 1, liabilities with 2, equity with 3, revenue with 4, and expenses with 5, and so forth. In a simple term, nag-a-assign po tayo dun sa chart of account list natin. Yung listahan natin, ina-assign natin sila ng number sa gilid or equivalent number para mas madali po natin silang ma-identify instead of puro letters. Next one will be account titles. These are the descriptive names given to each account to provide a clear understanding of its purpose. Example of account titles include cash, accounts receivable, accounts payable, sales revenue. The third element of a chart of account is account type. So account types are categories or classifications to which accounts belong. The major types of accounts include assets, resources owned by the company such as cash, inventory, property, and equipment. So ang asset po ay mga pag-aari ng kumpanya or ng business. Liabilities, obligations owed by the company such as loans, accounts payable, and accrued expenses. So ito naman po yung mga utang ng business or ng kumpanya. Accounts payable, ito po yung mga invoices na hindi pa natin bayad. Accrued expenses, ito naman po yung mga expenses na na-incur na natin pero wala pang invoice or hindi pa rin natin bayad. Equity represents the company's net worth or ownership interest. The fourth account type will be revenue. It's defined as income generated by the company from its primary operations such as sales revenue, service revenue, or interest income. Ito po yung benta natin sa mga clients or customers natin. The fifth element will be expense. Expenses are costs incurred by the company in its operations, such as salaries and wages, rent, utilities, and advertising expenses. These expenses can also be broken down into cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and non-operating expenses. So expenses po yung mga gastos po natin or gastos ng ating kumpanya. The chart of accounts is typically structured hierarchically, starting with broader account categories and then breaking down into more specific sub-accounts. This structure helps in organizing and summarizing financial information efficiently. Companies may choose to customize their COA based on their specific needs and industry requirements. However, it is essential to maintain consistency and adhere to accounting standards to ensure accurate financial reporting. Having a well designed COA offers several benefits, including improved financial reporting accuracy, streamlined data entry and processing, better analysis and decision-making capabilities, and compliance with accounting regulation and standards. So, ibibigay naman po natin sa layman terms ang ibig sabihin ng slide na to. Ang COA is typically structured siya ng sunod-sunod. Starting siya sa, kumbaga meron po tayong main account and then magkakaroon tayo ng specific sub-account. So, depende po yan sa mga kumpanya o businesses kung paano nila i-customize ang kanilang chart of accounts. Depende rin po yan sa industry requirements. So katulad po ng mga construction companies, may mga account title sila na hindi applicable sa isang grocery store setup. Ang importante po, mag-guide po kayo ng experienced bookkeeper or accountant para po mas compliant kayo and mas accurate po ang mga chart of accounts ninyo. Ang well-designed chart of accounts po ay malaki ang maitutulong sa inyong kumpanya in terms of financial analysis, compliance, and decision making. Yun po. Overall, the Chart of Account or COA is a fundamental tool for organizing and managing financial information, providing a standardized framework for recording, tracking, and reporting on a company's financial transactions. So malaki po ang maitutulong ng chart of account sa mga negosyo or businesses kasi dahil po sa chart of account, mas standardized po ang recording. So, hindi kung saan-saan nire-record ang mga transactions. Mas matatrack mo ang mga expenses mo, ang mga transactions, at mas accurate po ang ating mga financial reporting. Here's a simple chart of account for a grocery store setup under sole proprietor. You will notice the elements of chart of account such as account number, account name, and account type na pinag-usapan natin sa previous slide. We have added financial statement mapping for financial reporting purposes. Under account number, you will notice account numbers starting with 1 are all assets under account type. Lahat ng account numbers starting with 11 ay about kaperahan. And in line with our previous discussion, the chart of account should be customized based on industry and business requirements. Mapapansin ninyo again that all accounts starting with 11 are further broken down into sub-account numbers para mas ma-identify natin ang account title na pagre-recordan ng transactions. 1101 is for petty cash, 1102 is for cash on hand, and 1103 for cash in bank BDO account number 123456789. Kung magkakaroon pa tayo ng another bank account with the same or different bank, then we will need to create 1104. Next account number starting with 1 is inventory account na may account number na 1202 na nagre-represent ng unsold paninda natin. Kung magkakaroon pa tayo ng another asset account, it will be starting with 1-3. Pwede na lang kung related siya ulit sa kaperahan or inventory account. Then, ninyo mag-create ng sub-account under cash or inventory account. And this logic of sub-account creation applies to equity, revenue, and expense accounts. Dito naman ang simple chart of account for a service provider under sole proprietor. So, almost the same lang din naman ang elements of chart of accounts, kaya pare-pareho lang din ang na-create nating chart of accounts except dun sa account number 4101 na related sa service fees. Kung sa grocery store setup, tinawag natin siyang sales. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.